If I thought for just one moment that this would be my last breath, I had tell you I will love you forever, even beyond death. If I thought for just one moment that your face would be the last I had see, I had take a million pictures and save them just for me. If I thought for just one moment that your voice would be the last I had hear, I had listen attentively and promise not to shed a tear. If I thought for just one moment that your touch would be the last I had feel, I had embrace you and know that this has all been real. If I thought for just one moment that my heart would beat its last beat, I had thank the God for allowing us to meet. You are the only one with whom I desire to spend the rest of my life. I can ignore the rest of the world when you are there with me. I don't care about anything else other than you. I will forever cherish you for bringing sunshine and joy into my life. Thank you for teaching me to cherish every moment of life. I love you with every ounce of my soul. Between you and I, there's love nestled comfortably, gloriously beaming its light of tender affection on our young hearts and urging us the stake to the goodness it reveals in us. Sometimes words are not enough to express the best feelings. I want you to know that you are like a dream come true to me, and with you in my arms I feel so complete and happy. Thank you for caring, for choosing, and for loving me beyond conditions in all aspects of life. You are second to none. Your beauty cannot be compared to any other. No one loves me like you do. No two people care about me the way you do, and no one else brings beauty and joy to my world like you do. With you is where I find real happiness and love. I cherish every moment with you, my dearest. I love you more than you know. I will never betray you or do anything to hurt you. I love you too much to risk losing you. You are the brightest spot in my day. Without you, my life would be all darkness. I am so in love with you that it is hard to think straight. All I want is to be in love with you for the rest of my life.